NVTS is trending. This is Monday, the 23rd of February 2026. After unveiling advanced GaN and silicon carbide power platforms specifically designed for next generation AI data centers, further cementing its position within NVIDIA's evolving AI ecosystem. The announcement highlights the company's push into high voltage, high efficiency power architectures aligned with NVIDIA's 800V AI factory model, a system that shifts traditional data center power distribution toward high voltage DC to reduce losses, improve density, and handle the enormous energy demands of AI workloads. Bulls see this as a critical inflection point. In their view, the company isn't just another chip company, it's building the electrical backbone for AI infrastructure. So, the bull case AI infrastructure gold rush. Supporters argue that AI data centers are entering a multi-year capital expenditure supercycle. As hyperscalers scale up AI clusters, the bottleneck isn't compute alone; it's power delivery and thermal efficiency. And, Navitas's gallium nitride and silicon carbide technologies offer faster switching speeds, higher voltage handling, lower energy losses, greater power density. If NVIDIA's 800V architecture becomes the standard for AI factories, then Navitas could benefit disproportionately. The community of investors and traders is also speculating that deeper ecosystem integration could eventually translate into larger supply agreements or even strategic interests from major semiconductor players. The bear case. Despite the compelling technology narrative, skepticism is rising ahead of in its earnings outcomes tomorrow, the 24th, the 24th of February. Okay. The company heads into Q4 with steep revenue declines expected, reflecting weakness in legacy segments and exposure to slowing demand in China. The key concern, there are still no clearly disclosed large scale revenue generating contracts tied to the AI pivot. Investors are asking whether the NVIDIA alignment is currently meaningful to the income statement or still largely forward looking. At the same time, the stock trades at what many consider a rich valuation relative to current revenues, particularly given declining top line performance. BS warned that if AI related revenue does not ramp quickly enough, sentiment could reverse sharply. So the stock has been consolidating within a longer term bullish trend since early November of 2025. Okay, it's 200-day moving average, this one. This one is still sloping bullishly upwards, and this is the consolidation I mean from early November. You can see that. But in any case, the extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is saying that it might gain some strength from tomorrow, from today the 23rd, and might maintain it at least up till Thursday the 26th. So it's actually, in other words, it's saying that whatever the earnings outcomes will be, it might be good. It should be good. The stock will, but this is just an extrapolation. No guarantee that that will be the case. So it's expecting some positives and not expecting profit taking to occur just a day after that, after the earnings outcomes. But if anything, it's expecting some contraction to play out from Friday the 27th, and that may remain in place up till Wednesday the 4th of March. Then after that, they might attempt to expand again. But all in all, this is just saying that the same consolidation is what we should expect at least up till the 20th of March. So in the interim, the 40-day moving average is expected to continue to serve as a staunch resistance. So between now and the 25th of March, 25th of February, it's not expected to go beyond its 40-day moving average. So this is the tiny spaces it's expected to trade within. So not a lot is really expected in the interim between now and Wednesday, the 25th. If you have a look down here, the 10-day moving average is not expected to go volatile even up till the 2nd of March. Okay. Yes, it's not expected to go volatile. Yeah. Okay, here projections are saying we have a range of between beginning from the least, we have 6.32, 7.06, 8.26, 11.64, 13.28, 14.29. Okay, the probability of it retesting 8.34, where we have a series of where we have some Fibonacci projections. Yeah, 8.3, 8.26. The probability of that happening is statistically higher than 50%. Okay. Here we have a cluster of moving average, the 10 and 21 day moving average converged over here. Let's see, is that the case? Okay, just over there, I think so. We have 8.97. Okay, statistically not up to 50%. Yeah, less than 50% that it will retest those highs. So statistically, not a lot is really expected on the stock. Not a lot, and even the algos are saying its volatility is not really expected in a very short time. Okay, let's see now. Let's have a look at the market grid to see what it's going to show us. On the market grid, we have between 8.52 and 7.64. So the stock closed at 7.88. So this is where it is. It's now in the support zones. Okay, does it have enough support down there? Let's see now. 7.77 is yeah, we have a cluster around there. 7.7, we have 7.77 here, the 200-day moving average, and then S3. So there's a good support there. 7.86, is it a good support? Maybe not. Just right around, pretty much the same thing with 7.88. So it has a good support below 7.74, 7.77, 7.64. Yes, good support as well. So there's a chance that if it actually retraces further, then it might pick up a bounce. But the algos are suggesting that it might get a bounce. Today might be an up day. Let's see. So far, it's down 0.89%. Yeah, 7.81. So it has actually now gone beyond 7.86. So the next level right now is 7.74, 7.64. Okay, so there's a chance we might see a bounce. So these have now 7.8, 7.86, and 7.86 now a resistance, 7.98 a resistance. But how robust are they? Yeah, how robust are they? It still has 7.77 as a support. Hasn't reached there. Okay, so 7.86. Not. I don't think we don't have any major resistance ahead based on this daily chart. So there's a chance we might begin to advance. Yeah, 8.18. Do we have resistance around there? Any cluster around there? Okay, before we get to the $8.0, 8.01. No resistance there. No, so it might clear 8.01. Yeah, this one, it might clear the 40, the 3-day moving average. It might clear it. 8.18. No cluster there, I think. No cluster there. 8.26. Nothing there as well. Then 8.4. It's 8.3. Do we have anything there? Okay, so it's quite free or ahead. It's quite free. 8.3. Okay, 8.3, 8.26. That's where you might begin to face some resistance. So let's see how all of this will pan out. And tomorrow, the 24th, is when the company will disclose its earnings outcomes. Maybe well, the algos are saying they might pick up strength today up till Thursday, after Thursday 24th, but we'll see. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.